Hello for everyone and welcome back again. On the last lecture, I explained the distribution rule. Now in this lecture, I will finalize all distribution for this ground floor. Now I will do it quickly due to the time of the lecture. Here I will use the same method which I am do to distribute the dining room for Magdis. Now is for 475 centimeters, and also here is this 365. Now I will use the same number 3 on the x axis, and y I will use one row. Okay, calculator. 475 divided by 3, 1583. Okay, now I will select from here 1583. Okay, I will move my line downside. Now I will use the order offset from here to here. I want to offset this line. Okay, now I will make my crosses, determine the center. Okay, the first, and also this is the okay. Now we select this X and make a copy from here to here to 8, and now I will use this surface luminaire. I will put it on the edge of the Maglis, one here and one here, and also I will bring the candle and put it on on the center. Okay, now I will delete all this. I can name it center lines or Azamdo. Also repeat the previous step for this living room. I have to complete this line here and here. Sorry, because it is not a line. I can use L. Okay, from here to here, and I will press or click on the line, and from the edge click one time to the edge. Okay, I will consider this as one area, and from the edge this 335, and also this 5. It is 600. Now I don't need a calculator. Why? Because 6 meter divided by 3 is equal 2 meters. I will type 2. Sorry, Control Z, line for this 2 meter, and I will use the order offset from here to here. Now I will use my cross to determine the center. And also again determine the center. After that, repeat the cross, the same area, copy here, from the corner to corner. And after that, I will bring the same luminaire, two surface on the edge and one chandelier on the center. Okay, here on the edge and one chandelier the center. So that I will delete all of this. Delete, control, save. Now I asked the architect. He said for me that only the bathroom and kitchen that have a false ceiling, and for this I will here distribute resist lighting fixtures. Okay, that means here I have to take dimension, approximately this area. It is 4 meter 52 centimeters. I will make my distribution here approximately. I will put two lighting fixtures, one here and one here. Okay, and now here for the kitchen I wanted to use this type 600 millimeters by 600 millimeters. We all know this shape of the lighting fixtures. I check here on my legend, it is not found, and for this I can draw it. I can make it by myself. Click here on the rectangular, and here on the kitchen I will click and type D, enter, 600, again 600. As you see here, it is appear 600 by 600 box. I can use it as a sample of 600 by 600 millimeters luminaire. But firstly, let me change its color to be red, same like the another lighting fixtures. Now I will click on mouse on right click, properties, and red, and color, sorry, red. Okay, I will put one here in the center approximately. I can make my cross and so on, but now I explain for you the rule. You can do it by yourself. But for me, I will distribute approximately, and after that I finalize here from the kitchen. Also I have two luminaire here from the surface type, one on the stair. Okay, and also here I have a small strike under the stair. I will put one this type for it. And after that also I have to distribute my luminaire on the kitchen. Okay, I have here one on the entrance, the same surface type, copy, enter. Now I will back again to my bathroom and put on it this luminaire. See this compact fluorescent downlight resist ceiling IB mounted ceiling mounted IB44. Okay, this is for wet area. It's very okay for me. CO, copy, and from the center here. Also you can you can make a cross here to determine the center, but for me I will put it approximately here and also here 1 point. Okay, and now also here in this toilet I will put one. Okay, now I'm finishing from distributing my luminaire inside the building. Now I will go to outside area, exterior area. Now this flash mounted light I will put here. I have a space same like a balcony for the first floor, but here on the ground floor I don't have anything, only 2 columns. I will put approximately 2 points, one here, okay, and one here. And now I will put a wall mounted luminaire here on the wall for this villa. Wall mounted IP67. Okay, it's okay. Click on it and CO copy. Okay, here from center. I can distribute approximately 3 point here and 2 point here and 1 point here and 2 point here. Okay, I have to measure all this distance and divide it by 4 if I want to work to make a proper, but if I do this I don't to shorten the length of this video, and I explain for you the rule and you can do it by yourself. Okay, this little bit to the right, and also I will put copy. Also I will use a new command which is rotate. Here from modify, rotate, click on it and click here, and I want to rotate it 19 degree to be fit with this wall. Okay, move here. I can put two luminaire here, one here, and again one here, and also this wall I will put one luminaire here. I will use again the rotate or mirror. I can use the mirror. This is the rotate. I will little bit make it near the wall. Okay, and also I will put one luminaire here because this is a garage for this car and I cannot put one here. Okay, enter, rotate RO or from modify panel 90 degree and move it to right to be on the center. Okay, now I can put also one here because this space is too much for one luminaire. Yes, here near the column between the two door garage and here the entrance door. Okay, now I'm finishing from distributing all my luminaire for the ground floor and exterior area, and see you on the next